of course, always better to sing than to speak. Because if you speak and you do not recognize the word, this would help you to understand the word, you say. It's a lamb, which is a childish song, you say. Your membrane here has to vibrate. If you just speak in front of it and the membrane doesn't start to vibrate, nothing. So to be sure it's a good recording, I have to shout, and I am very sorry for that, but I can do. So you see, in any kind of tinfoil, you have the flywheel. You see the flywheel is there, the flywheel is there. There we can see some machines, and here, I think the flywheel is here. But this is to help you to keep a constant speed. Because when you start to do this by the inertia, you can keep a constant speed. But of course, you can turn slowly or you can turn rapidly. So this doesn't mean the speed. This just helps you sound and maybe correct by going faster or slower, depending to reproduce the exact speed, you see.
Okay.
So we try.
Alors, enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. Contre nous de la tyrannie, l'étendard.
So if you look at it,
เสียงเขาเนี่ยได้ลงไปอยู่ในน้ำหมดแล้ว
normally by looking at it, you can say, well, I think it's a good one.
พี่ครับแล้วนี่ซ้ำๆนั่น
ได้ครั้งเดียวแต่ว่าเดี๋ยวจะมีอาจารย์กานิกากับอาจารย์อเนกทำแบบเดียวกันเลย
ไม่ต้องหมุนก็ได้ตะโกนเนี่ย
ทำไม่ต้องเปิดไฟด้วย